In this video, we're going to look at 3 best ways to make money with crypto. These days, you can find a lot of videos online about crypto. So many people talking about different strategies, methods that you can use to make money with crypto. Some work, some don't, and some can even lead you to huge losses. So what I did is I took time out to study the market, to learn a thing or two, and put together what actually works. So if you watch this video, I believe all of the methods I'm going to share here, if you study them carefully, you can make money for yourself. I've also analyzed the risk factor that comes with any of these methods, so you'll be able to know what you are getting yourself into. So if you're a beginner trader, this is a great video for you. Also, if you're already a pro trader or someone who already makes a lot of money with crypto, you can stick to the end of this video because there's a thing or two in here that can help you. You can add to your confluence to make more money for yourself. My name is Alfred. Let's get right into the video. So the first method I'm going to share with you is P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, which means that it happens between two parties. Okay, so if you have Bitcoin or USDT or any cryptocurrency and you want cash, you can go to any platform and then you can now look for people who are willing to buy crypto and pay with cash. Okay, so you transact with them, they will send you the cash, you send them the crypto, or you send them the crypto, they send you the cash. Either way, that is P2P. Also, if you want crypto, you can check out the P2P session again, and then this time around you can look for people who are selling USDT or BTC or whatever crypto you are looking to buy, and then you make an order, you send them the cash, and then they send you the crypto. Now, P2P is protected in such a way that there's an escrow in place. So before somebody can go ahead to list, on the P2P market that they want to sell USDT or they want to sell Bitcoin, it means that they actually have that amount they are willing to sell. So it's not like they can just come and say, I'm selling crypto, meanwhile they don't have crypto, and then they will scam you, because there's that escrow in place to make sure that whatever they say they are selling, they have that available and it has been held in that escrow. There's less risk when it comes to P2P that you're going to lose your money. Of course, once in a while you hear stories, but essentially if you are careful about how you transact, make sure the money has reached your account, make sure that the crypto is in your account before you release money, that will at least protect you from losing money. And a lot of people are making money through P2P, so it's a great thing for you to take advantage of. Let me introduce you to the crypto platform I'm currently using, called CoinW. CoinW is a great platform that's helping traders make more money for themselves. So if you're a trader, even if you're a beginner and you're looking to find a crypto platform that will help you make more, check out CoinW. This is a great platform. Okay, now they give you a lot of benefit. Right now they've reduced their trading fees by about 70%. That means you're paying way less and you're making more for yourself. And aside all of these things, right, if you're a beginner trader and you are now learning how to trade, there are a lot of benefits on the platform that you can take advantage of. And the CoinW platform can even give you funding to trade. Okay, and when you make money, they take a percentage of that, and then you keep about 80 to 90% for yourself, which is a great deal. Okay, so if you're a trader, you don't have the capital to trade, you can take advantage of some of these things to become a pro trader. So do check out CoinW. The second method I'm going to share with you is spot trading. Now with spot trading, you basically buy crypto low and you sell high. That is the basic fundamental of spot trading. So you buy low right now, you wait for it to go high, and then you sell it for profit. Okay, so if you buy crypto at this price and then you just wait for it to get higher, then you sell it. Sometimes you also know that it's eventually going to go low and then come back high, so you can wait for it to go low and then you buy at that time, and then when it comes back high, you sell for profit. Now, watching the market 24/7 for this high and low can be crazy stressful. Okay, so for you to take advantage of this, you have to use limit orders. So limit orders really means that you have created an order, but until the price of that particular cryptocurrency hits that price margin, it's not going to buy or sell for you. Sometimes it's not easy to know where the price is going to go or where it's going to touch and all of that. So that is where you also have to be able to read the chart. Okay, so if you check out TradingView, they have this chart that you can use to analyze the market. Of course, a lot of forex traders and other traders use this platform to do a lot of analysis. You as a spot trader can also use this same platform to help you make the right decision. So you can look at the chart and understand where this price is going, where it's going to fall to, so you can make a better decision. And of course, even if you buy and the price hasn't gotten to a range where you want to sell, as long as you haven't sold, you haven't lost anything, because you can wait for as long as you want for the price to get to that margin before you sell. If you are beginning your crypto career, I think it's actually best you start from P2P and spot trading before you move to the third option, which I'm going to mention in a bit. So there's a saying that you buy the dip. So the dip simply means that when the price is going lower, that's when you buy, and then you wait for the price to come up and then you sell. Okay, now the third method I'm going to share with you is futures trading. Now futures trading comes with some risk. Okay, so I just decided to keep it at number 3. If you don't know anything about trading, if you don't know anything about futures trading specifically, please go with a demo account and learn how to trade first before you deposit real money. Now, I don't want to scare you so much, so let's get right into what futures trading is all about. So futures trading basically means that there is a price movement. Okay, so there's BTC against USDT. Okay, so just like USD against BTC. Okay, so now Bitcoin price is going up, so you can see that. Okay, now it's at maybe 74, it's going to 75, it's going to 76. That is the price movement. Okay, now as this price is moving, it means that the currency that you are using to buy, if it's USDT, that is what is moving: 76, 74, 75, 76, and it's moving throughout the day, going up and down, going up and down. Now that up and down movement is what you are taking advantage of as a futures trader. Okay, so you can either buy or sell. So unlike spot trading, where you basically buy low and sell high, with futures trading you can either buy or sell and still make money, provided your analysis is correct. Okay, so when it comes to futures trading, there are two ways: either buy or sell. Now buy means that the price is going up. Okay, so when the price is moving from 74, 75, 76, 77, that is a buy signal. Okay, now when you stick with this buy going up, you are making more money as the price is going up. Now when you decide to sell, that means the price is going down. Okay, now when you sell, the price is now going down. We're going to get more into why it's so later. Okay, now just think about this: buy means that the price is going up, and then sell means that the price is going down. Now, aside the fact that you can, make your analysis and detect that, okay, this is going to go buy or sell or up or down or bull or bear, all of these technical stuff, there's also another benefit that comes with futures trading called leverage. Okay, so leverage can help you multiply the capital you are investing. So if you have $100, you can now add a bit of leverage. Now your money in the market could be somewhere like, let's say, 10,000 or 100,000 or 1 million. All right, now that means that when the price moves in your direction, you are making more money at a go compared to spot trading where you are fixed. Okay, now this is also scary because when the price decides to go against you, you are losing all your money quickly. Okay, so you also have to be able to manage the risks you are coming to the market with by minimizing your leverage to a point where I can manage this losses in case it goes into losses. Okay, there are a lot of other technicalities that comes with understanding how futures work and how you be able to stay profitable trading futures. Okay, when it comes to the market's movement, understanding what confluences are going to help you to become profitable in the market and all of that. So to be able to understand all this, that's what I'm saying, join the Telegram community so you'll be able to get some of these basics, and it will help you in your trading career. Okay, if that's what you want to do. But of course, you can take advantage of the initial two, which is P2P and spot trading, which doesn't require a lot of technical stuff, right? A lot of technical analysis are not needed in those two. Okay, but when it comes to futures trading, you have to understand technical analysis, so you can join the community to get understanding of this technical analysis before you start trading. Okay, there are so many other ways people are making money with crypto, but you see these three options that I've just mentioned so far, these are like the best ones you can basically use to make money when it comes to crypto. Okay, so either of these that you master, or even if you decide to start from one and gradually learn the other and get better at it, you will definitely make a lot of money. People are just going to come at you and tell you, oh, there's this trading platform that you invest this and within a day you make this. Those scams, don't fall for them. All right, learn it the hard way, learn it the best way, learn it, the fundamental way that everybody knows it works. All right, so from P2P, there's spot trading, there's futures trading, and then you go on and on. All right, but don't fall for anything that looks too easy to do that you can make a lot of money. It's promising, but they're eventually going to scam you. But you see, these three options that I've shared with you so far, if you master any of them, you're definitely going to make money from crypto. And no matter the season, whether Bitcoin is up or down, whether this is happening or that, you can still make money from the market if you master any of these three options. You don't need Bitcoin to be bullish or bearish. You don't need it to be this or that. You just need to understand these fundamentals and you'll be able to take advantage of the market to make money for yourself. And a lot of people are already doing it, so why not you? All right, take advantage of it and make money for yourself. My name is Alfred, and I'll see you in another video. I'm out.